Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. Today we are going to see about Excel command, that is Xline. It is used for drawing the horizontal, that is horizontal lines or inclined lines or vertical lines, which is of extend limit. It does not have any limit. So where we are going to use this, it is to draw the elevation from the plan view, or from plan view you can draw the section, from the elevation you can draw the section elevation. Then you can draw plan from plan view, be having an some extrusions. We can draw that. We have some benefits of using these lines, so it will be very useful. So before going to the session, if you haven't subscribed the channel, you can subscribe it. If you like this video like this video, you can press the like button. Okay, here we have chosen the drawing, that is from engineering graphics. I have chosen a top drawing. Here it is a pentagon. Okay, here from this pentagon they have drawn the elevational view, so we can I shall draw this. Okay, now I shall choose the pentagon. So we used to choose by a polygon. Okay, so I shall use the polygon command. Polygon command, it has 5 sides, that is pentagon, it is pentagon. So it is 5 sides. Enter. The center I have chose here. It is inscribed in this circle. As the radius of the circle, but they have given the sides as 25. I shall choose a rough value as 30 mm radius. Okay. So this drawing is in very small condition. So here it is a pentagon. Okay, it has the radius of 30 mm. Now I shall draw the lines to make the center. So we can find the center, we can remove these lines. So I shall use trim command. So I have found the center portion. With the center portion, I need to extrude the value to form the elevation, that is front view of the section. So I shall draw the baseline. Now I need to form the extrusion lines. So that I shall use the Xline command, that is Xline, that is short form, it is XL. And for drawing the line, we can use the short form XL, or you can give the command Xline. Okay, so that is extended line. So here it is horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect, offset, everything that is there. You can use horizontal for drawing horizontal lines, vertical lines for verticals. So if you need in a value for angle making with the point we have chosen, so the line will be in a horizontal, it will be making with an angle. Bisect means it will be bisecting the line into two halves. Then offset it is a point, it is similar to array. Okay, so I shall choose horizontal. So I'll be clicking this HOR. So you can see here horizontal, it will be making horizontal line. Okay, so we need only vertical lines, so I shall go with vertical. So VR. So this is vertical lines. This is the points. I need to pick it. Okay, now I have just picked the points. So the lines are infinite. You can see, we shall zoom it and show it. So the lines are infinite. So you can draw the elevation wherever you could. Okay, now I have drawn the lines. Now I shall start here. I need a height of 5 mm, that is 50 mm. Okay, I shall draw the line. Here I shall start here. and draw the line for 50. Okay, this for reference. Now line command I shall use it. Start here and end here. This our elevation work will be drawn from the plan, that is from top view, in this manner. So after drawing this points, you can trim it, or you can just erase this lines. So center line, it is not necessary, I think, so you can delete it, so you can see the clear view. So I shall remove the XL lines after drawing the elevation. Okay, this is the concept we are using for XL, for drawing the top view, for elevation from the top view. Thank you for viewing this video.